What are you waiting for, Labor Day?
So, hello, Myers. You kept me waiting.
Wait any longer and you'll start to regret it.
Why did you get into this, Myers? Eager to play a superhero? Don't you think you've got a little carried away? You should know better. Even superheroes die who push it too far.
Well, someone's got to take a stand and stop jerks like you.
What do you know about it, Myers? You want to stop me? What for? Look at this country. Drugs, war, gangsters everywhere. Children are dying from hunger. The survivors pick up machine guns at 15 and start killing each other.
It's their choice. They should go to college instead.
You're dreaming. They can do nothing. Only those who have money can go to college. 90% of them are forced to go to war. And it's countries like yours that are responsible for that, gringo. It's you who's buying cocaine from us and making us fight for it at the same time.
With those kind of ideas, you should be joining the guerrillas.
You should know gorillas change nothing. Man has always been an animal and always will be. Red flag or green flag or stars and stripes. Man wants to be pushed. Imagine, gringo. Mass oppression for the greater good of all your fellow humans. You see, gringo, I wanted to give them peace. Peace. Do you understand? There would be no crime, no war or aggression on the territories controlled by my antenna. Only peace. Peace and happiness for all.
Oh yeah? Then why have your people been trying to kill me all this time, huh? Frickin' peacemaker.
Do you really think I would let one idiot screw everything up? Your life or death doesn't count for much compared to eternal peace on Earth.
You know, you're just a babbling fool. Forget it. I'm not gonna argue with you. You see, Caruso, you made one huge mistake. You should never have touched Lisa. Now you've only got yourself to blame. And it's gonna hurt.
You're too late anyway, Myers. In 5 minutes, the antenna's signal will be running at full strength, and your chip won't help you then. After that, I might even make you my chief of security.
Oh yeah? We'll see about that.
Drop!
So, Lisa, now you understand why you should always listen to your father? If you had, you'd still be happily working in some women's magazine, writing articles about nail polish and boyfriends.
Sure, Pa.
So, does that mean you're gonna listen to your father's advice from now on?
Sure thing, Pa.
Good girl.
Daddy,
Yeah?
I'm thinking of quitting journalism. Just before I came out here, I was offered another job. A much better one.
What kind of job?
A medical job. The noblest profession of all. 1 month of training and I start as a paramedic. And then we'll see where life takes me. It's pretty far from home, though.
How far is far?
Nepal. They've got a real shortage of medical staff out there, so the Red Cross...
Hey, Lisa,
Yes, Pa?
can we talk about this when we get home?
Sure thing, Pa.
Once upon a time, between us and dirty crime, when bombs hit you up and spit you out, how to say get started on the road. Sadly started, we got lost in a land of corruption and white trust. Guerrillas are hard on his neck, even the police want him hush. He was walking on the thin line, getting his own crime. Was dealing with the devil, and his fear he has hide. From the north to the south.